XAIR is showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend. Is its 200-day moving average? This one is sloping bearishly lower. Has gained 66%. This is Monday, the 8th of November, 2025. Let's see what we have. Intraday high at $4.78. I think we have something interesting here to see. Yeah, people are expecting that it may attempt to print higher prices, going by these sell orders at a premium to the current price. You can see what's going on. Let's see what people are doing. Even higher prices, I believe. Even higher prices. Even higher prices. Yeah, you can see that 4.3. They're expecting that there might be a good chance that it may retest 4.78. The probability of it doing so is not very high. That's not very high, not very high, but it is indeed there. I would say maybe roughly 10%. Yeah, roughly 10%, and it's something that it did today. So you know, the odds of that happening is there. But let's see what's going on. The company indicated today that the FDA has granted Orphan drug designation for its lead investigational therapy BA-101 to treat glioblastoma, which is an aggressive type of brain cancer. The FDA grants the designation to safe and effective drugs and biologics intended to treat rare diseases or disorders that affect fewer than 200,000 people in the US. The designation also provides incentives such as tax credits toward clinical trial costs and prescription drug user fee waivers. Okay, so drugs and treatments that receive the designation are given 7 years of market exclusivity, which is independent from intellectual property protection. So, yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. And underlying trend bearish. High prices are expected to remain in place up till Wednesday, the 10th of September. And then after that, might see a contraction of this expansion. So the stock is on this daily chart still in the woods. However, regardless of all of that, the price pressure momentums are very strong. However, the derivatives are all negative, indicating that it may not continue to print. It's been struggling of late in the last couple of hours to print higher prices. Yeah, that's what it's probably indicating. Upper projections do have any 2.67. It's a slight discount. That's a slight discount to the current levels. We have what do we have here? 4.78. 4.78. Those sort of prices were extrapolated, or rather were projected as of the 24th of July. We have up to 4.94. Then below that 4.64, 4.16. Even higher prices as of 11th of July, 6.96, 6.39, 5.46, 4.87. But underlying trend is a bearish one. So you can imagine that there's ample room to the upside. So even way higher prices, 10.93, 10.93. I mean, it does have it. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. Here it's saying by today in a few hours, it's supposed to peak. Maybe by the post-market session, it may begin to decline and contract the expansion that has happened today. Higher prices. Okay, I mean the 10 and 21 period moving averages are in strong trend modes. The stock easily will be trading right outside of its price channel, indicating that a pullback is imminent. It may continue to also print high prices, but surely you should expect a pullback to occur on the stock. Yeah. So let's see what we have here. 3.68, not so active. Yeah, that one has gone through. 3.67. Okay, let's see. Let's revisit what we saw earlier on. 4.3, yeah, still open. 4.3, 4.51, 4.69. Yeah, this is, yeah, definitely they're expecting that this will print again 4.78 or towards those sort of levels. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of XAIR stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.